Hi everyone, how is everyone doing? I hope all of you are having a very good weekend. I am on my cycling trip. This is my being active, be healthy. But when I take a break, I have taken a challenge of reciting poems written by authors of Manipur. So right now I have written maybe 7 miles and I'm taking a break, and I saw this water pump, as you can see, and I thought it would it looks very cute, and they actually use this water pump to be the source of water for cyclists in this trail. So I thought I'll take a break here. So we are on poem number 9. Poem number 9, what I have picked, it is, the name of the poem is A Deserted Street, If I Were in Love with You. This poem is written by Ibohal Khetrimayung, and I have read this poem. I have got this poem from the book Into the DNA. It was published in 2009, and this book was co-authored with poem collection of Dr. Jodhar Chandra Sanasam, and I got it as a gift. So I really appreciate books as gift, and has really given me an introduction to authors of Manipur who have written work in English. And so do consider giving book as a gift. So here you go. A Deserted Street, If I Were in Love with You, written by Ibohal Khetrimayung. A morning glows on your silky hair, but a mirror blinds me and I lose you. A grasshopper jeers at me when I lie on your garden's green turf. Below smiling cherry blossoms, a mockery of my love. Coins roll away from my pockets, happy escaping from me, dodging through the tall grass blades. But I was saving them to buy you a cup of coffee, if we ever go out together, arm in arm, under the musical moon that floats above our festive town. The wind tonight is silent, perhaps mourning the dying walls. We once danced on a table's edge, in that summer evening of myths and laughter. While 2 dogs slept on the music, I knew I have lost you a long time ago, even before the dance and jazz happened. But my persuasive heart knocks on, waking up a neighborhood of paintings on the wall. Today, I'm taking my last walk down memory lane, sweeping away torn pages from the pavement, making my love a deserted street. Written by Ibohal Khetrimayung. All right, so have fun. Oh, am I on your way?
No, you're good. You're good. Enjoy. Keep doing that. I just wanted to see how this works.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's see it. I was also curious to see if it works.
Well, there seems
Oh,
to be
so
water
there
coming out.
it works. Yeah, so that is the water pump,
Yeah, it
which
is. You
actually
can see
works,
the
and it is used by cyclists over here. So yeah, so have fun. The poem by Ibohal Khetrimayung. Keep tuning in. Let me know which poem you like, and would love to learn more and more English poems written by authors of Manipur. So let me show you a little bit of what I see here in my path. I have shown you that pump, and this is the trail. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.